Alright, so we're kind of high up today, but it's only for angle purposes because I'm going to be doing like the back of my hair the whole time, and then I'm going to flip around and do the front. I know how we do it, but this close, let's see, this is how I'm looking. Hopefully you're getting this all. This is how I look 2 months, we're close to 2 months post retwist. I am I'll be 7 months on the 21st. This is how the back of my hair is looking. This is the one lock we are going to be focusing on during this journey and trying to fix. So yeah, this is how I'm looking dry. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and yeah, okay. Yes, you guys, I am 7 months locked. On this video, I'm 7 months locked. I'm loving it here. Still one of the best decisions I have ever made for my hair. You can see this is how it's looking after I washed it. Now, I only went 2 months without retwisting my hair. It was actually kind of accidental because we went to a wedding in July, and then we ended up going to a comedy show in October. But I knew like I could have retwisted it in between, but the time when I would have retwisted, like it just would have been too close of a gap together. And I tried to do at least like 5 to 6 weeks. And I knew it would have been like 4 weeks back to back, and I really didn't feel like doing that. But this tool right here is what you use when you're doing like instant locks. It's a crochet hook. This one is like a double crochet hook. And I'm using this because this lock, and I have like 2 other locks that when they grow out, like all my hair is completely coming out of it. So it's not like it's a lock, but I have like a nice amount of hair that's like completely out. And so I'm using this, I'm just weaving in and out, in and out. And what's happening is the hooks on the hair, it's like, let's see if I can describe this the best way. It's kind of like knotting the hair, not knotting, but it's like intertwining. There it is, intertwining the hair together, right? Same with the one in the front. So now there's one in the front that I just completely combined all together because when I normally do my side part, I can't tell like how small the box is, but when I did it going to the back, like to me, they were just like too thin. And I'm like, well, I mean, I can go ahead and just combine them together, which I think is fine. I still love it to this day. So same concept. I retwisted it first, and then I went through with my tool and I just started intertwining those hairs together. Okay, so since being 7 months, have I noticed any changes to my hair? Not really. My hair, honestly, it's still the same. Oh, there's my little Josiah, and we just started his locks, braid locks. Yeah, that's a whole nother story within itself. Like I'm gonna have to tell y'all about him and doing his hair, but yeah, so I haven't really noticed any like changes. My routine is still the same. I spray my hair with either rose water or I don't know why I just walked out the video. That's very disrespectful. Sorry, y'all. I spray my hair with either rose water or lavender water with glycerin. I oil my scalp like 2 to 3 times a week. It just really all depends on how it's feeling. I haven't experienced lint yet. I do not palm roll all the way down to the end. I just give it like a little palm roll so it can be tight, but that's more so like towards the root of my hair. Yeah. Now, I was debating if I was going to go to sleep with this on my head or not, but I did not. I ended up sitting up underneath the dryer, and then after I got done under the dryer, I took the clips out, and this is how my, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed with my hair, y'all. I'm sorry, but this is how my hair is looking the next morning. It is completely dry. Like I said, I did not stick the clips in. I only did like 35 minutes under the dryer. My kids let me sit under the dryer for 35 minutes. And yeah, I talked your ear off long enough. But this is a quick and fast 7-month loc update slash retwist and loc combines and all that jazz. I was trying to see if my hair could fit. I'm so pressed for a ponytail, so I was trying to see if I can get half a ponytail. But yeah, I'll get there one day. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. And I will see you guys later.